Your 20s are a crucial time to lay the foundation for a prosperous future. Here are 3 financial habits to adopt right now. Habit number 1. Live below your means. Don't spend everything you earn. By living below your means, you'll free up money for saving and investing. It might not feel glamorous, but it's a key habit for long-term success. Habit number 2. Start investing early. Even small investments made in your 20s can grow exponentially over time. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs to get started and make regular contributions. The earlier you start, the bigger your future returns. Habit number 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, save and invest the extra money. This will have a huge impact on your net worth in the future. By mastering these habits in your 20s, you're setting yourself up for financial freedom in the decades to come. Like and subscribe for more personal finance tips on Financial Rebirth.